Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a Amazon Prime Video live streaming kind of a website clone inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So basically Amazon Prime Video, you can see it's a digital website similar to Netflix or Hotstar. So basically it provides you the to watch movies, TV shows. So you can see this is a design that we will try to replicate. So basically this is the website. If you go to primevideo.com, you will see this design here which is there. So we will try to replicate this design, guys, which is Amazon Prime Video. Basically you can see the design here, basically all the movies. So we will try to replicate this design here, which is the home page. So we will only be replicating the home page that you can see here like this. So we will try to do this. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So basically you can see the navigation bar here. This is a navigation bar. If you hover onto this, you will see now this is the navigation bar, the sign in page, the different kinds of languages. So you can see login to join Prime. This is the actual image that we are using here. If you see, this is the image that we are using here to embed this. This is a design here. You can now see the nice animation which is coming here. So we are using inside Flexbox and grid-like structure to make this application. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So you can see that if you drag down here, you will now see the nice little animation will take place. Your Prime membership now includes, you can see that if you drag down, some more animation will take place. So let's start building this application from scratch, guys. So inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So for this, guys, I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website codingshiksha.com. So you can just copy link address. So let me paste it inside the live chat. So this is the full source code, guys. I will pin this inside the live chat so you can copy paste all the source code. And also, guys, tell me the quality of the mic or the quality of the, is it good, the quality of the live stream? Can you just tell me in the live chat if you hear me properly? I will definitely try to improve the quality of the sound. So here, guys, we will just create a simple prime video.html file. And first of all, we will write a basic structure of the HTML document here. So we will change it the title Amazon Prime Video UI clone. So inside the body section, guys, basically we can show the live preview in the editor itself. You can now see Visual Studio does offer this live extension. Basically it offers you the live preview to show this live preview. So right here, guys, we will have a basically div container class, and basically first of all we will have the navigation bar. Inside the navigation bar we will have the home section, and inside the home section, guys, we will have the image tag. Image source will be equal to, we have this logo, guys, which is present inside our prime logo. So close this. So this is our logo, and here we will be attaching a class to P. So you can see, if you see, guys, this is the logo, Prime logo that Amazon Prime Video uses here. If you open this with live server, you will see this is the logo that we have embedded right here. So we will try to, it's good connect from South Africa. So thank you very much for watching this live stream. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So you can see this is the logo, guys. So basically, first of all, what we need to do is that we need to make a style sheet file here. So basically here we will be making a external style sheet style.css. So here basically we will create style.css file, and first of all target this p, guys, p class. So here first of all what we will say is that we will first of all remove all the margin and the padding. So margin to 0 and the padding to also 0. So here list style type, we will remove the bullets to the unordered list to none. Text decoration, we will make it none. So the underline from the anchor elements will be gone. Box sizing, we will say it's border box, and we will also remove the outline. So outline will be none. That's it. So if you see, guys, now all the margin and the padding will be gone. So if you refresh here your application, we don't have any sort of margin and padding here. So all the margin and padding is removed here. So guys, after this we will target this image. So you have seen we have attached this image a class of p. So Now we need to target this p tag. If you see here, we have attached this class p. So the very first thing we will do, basically we will say the width of this image must needs to be 150 pixel. So if you see guys, if I put this value here 150, the image will be resized to 150 pixel, and height will also be 60 pixel. And then we will say mix blend mode will be equal to lighten, like this. So that's it guys. Now basically we can target our navigation bar as well. So first of all, we need to write the full navigation bar here. So inside the navigation bar guys, first is the home section. After this home section is done, we will have another anchor tag. This will go to the news section, and here we will be having a icon. Basically this will be the font awesome icon. So fa globe and G, and you will now see your icon will not be shown because you need to include the CDN. So include all the CDN guys which is required for this application. So I will just copy paste it right here after the title. So now you can see your globe icon is showing guys. You can now see this is a globe icon. After this we will have a simple drop down. So we will have a div with a class of drop down, a button which will have a class of drop button, and basically this will be for English language. And then guys, inside the button itself we will show a simple icon which will be fa caret icon down. So this is the icon we will show guys. You can now, it is for the drop down. So inside the drop down only single language is present, which is English language. Now we need to add uh, the content of this drop down. So here we will be adding, the first one will be for various languages. We will add here Bahasa Indonesia, and you can just copy paste all these languages guys. I will not paste it. So all these languages that you see here, simply paste it. So now you can see after this we will have a simple horizontal line. We will give it a class of L. Then we have again have a next horizontal. So like this, so we will have a simple horizontal line. You can now see after this guys we will have D1 class, and again we will have different languages here. This will be more languages here. If you see, simply paste it. So you can see that. So now guys, I think it's complete here. This is div. So I think this is now complete, this whole section which is for the drop down. This is complete. So now we will move to the next section guys, which is a simple button. Basically this will be the button for sign in, and we will be attaching a class to it of E. So there is a sign in button. So you can see all these are anchor elements. That's why they are appearing in blue color. You can now see. So if you're watching it for the very first time guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So now the next thing we need to do is that we also need to, after this, we will have an image tag. Source will be equal to amazon1.png. Class will be S. So then we will have a simple paragraph that welcome to Prime Video. So if you see guys, in the, you can see this is the image that we are loading here, which is amazon1.png. So why this image is not loading? Sorry, this needs to be amazon1.png. So if you refresh it guys, you will now see this is your image which is shown here. After this we have a simple paragraph which is welcome to Prime Video. So we need to give the classes which is K, and this image will be having this class S, So we also need to give these attributes, guys, for the animation to take place. Data SOS flip up, and for this we will be using data AOS. This is zoom in. So basically, guys, these are the different libraries which are available. Tags AOS is a kind of a library. Let me tell you the library for animation here. AOS. So basically, animate on scroll library, guys. We are using this library. So when you scroll in your page, this library makes it the elements animate. So this is animate on scroll. So this is the library that we are using here. AOS animate on scroll library. So now to initialize this library, it's very simple. You just need to write a simple two-line JavaScript code here. Inside your JavaScript, you just need to initialize this library. So inside my blog post, you will find this code, which is, if you go to the blog post at the very last, you will see how to just initialize this. So simply copy this and paste it. So basically inside this function, guys, you can see there is an initialize method here, and you just need to give it the easing method, which is ease and the duration of the animation. So here we have put here 1 second because this is 1000 millisecond. So if you go to your application, guys, now if you refresh it, now you can see how this flipping animation will take place. You can now see. So this is the nice little animation library, guys, that we are using here. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So after this, we have this header image here, which is welcome to Prime Video. After this, we will have another paragraph, which will be having this class, which is T, join Prime to watch the latest. You can now see. And then basically we will have a simple button. Basically this button will say that login to join Prime. You can now see. So this section is complete, guys. Now we can go to style.css and one by one style this. So basically, let me close this and let me make it side by side so that you clearly see what is happening. So right here, we will go to the CSS part here and try to target the body. We will say that the font family will be equal to Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. So now you can see the font family is changed. We also need to change the background color to black. This is the color. So you can see the background color is changed to black. Then we need to change the navigation. We need to target the navigation bar class. Overflow will be hidden, and the background color of navigation bar will be this RGBA 223153 0.97. So now you can see this is a color. And now basically we will target these anchor items which are present inside this class. So here we will simply float them into the left position. So now you can see font size, we will change it to 20 pixel. So font size, you can see it is increased. And the color, text color, we will change it to white. Text align, we will say center. So now you can see. And also text decoration will be none. So if you clearly see, guys, this is your navigation bar here. So then, guys, what we need to do is that we need to target this drop down class float in the left direction and overflow hidden like this. So this is the drop down that you see here. And now we will be targeting the drop button. Font size, we will increase it to 20 pixel. So now it will be increased. Border, we will remove it. Also the outline. So there will be no border and outline here, you will see. Color, we will change it to white. So you can now see. Padding we will give it as 14 pixel, 16 pixel. So there will be some padding here. And background color we will again inherit. So this will be black. You can now see. Font family we will change it to inherit. This will be, you can now see. Margin is 0. So after this, guys, what is the drop down content here? Basically inside this, what we will say, drop down content. So display, we will remove this. So now these anchor elements will not be displayed. We will say position to relative, and background color we will change it to RGBA 223153 0.97. If I remove this property for now, you will now see the background color will be changed here. Minimum width we will give to 560 pixel, and we will also attach some box shadow to these anchor elements, which is 0 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel, 0 pixel, RGBA 0.2. So there will be some box shadows. Z index you will say 1. Height is 400 pixel. So float right. So we will float it in the right direction like this. And now just display this none. So there will not be displayed. So drop down content A, guys, the anchor elements which are present inside, we will change the display to we will float it in the none direction. Color we will change it to white. Padding we will say 12 pixel, 16 pixel. Text decoration none. Display to block. So now they will be shown. And text align left. So now, guys, whenever we hover onto this, if you hover this, we need to show them. So what we can say is that drop down content, we need to change the background color to this color, which is D. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. I see people are not liking the content. Please hit the like button and increase these likes to 10 likes. Up till now, guys, we have style like this. So also when we hover onto this drop down, when we hover onto this, we need to show the drop down content. So here we will change the display to block. So now if you see, if you hover onto this, your navigation bar will display here. Now see. And also, guys, we will now target the paragraphs class. So width we will change it to 150 pixel. So you can see the width will change to 150 pixel. The height will change to 60 pixel. Mix blend both to lighten. That's it. Now we will also target the G class which we have given. We will change the font size to 24 pixel, guys, and margin top we will say 140, sorry, 114 pixel. Margin from the left position will be, you can see that. So here, guys, we will be now be targeting the S class. So margin left will be 670 pixel, and here we will be changing the color to white. So you can see welcome to Prime Video. You can now see font size. We will increase this font size. We can increase it to 45 pixel. Margin top to minus 370 pixel. You can now see margin left to 40 pixel. So now you can see slight animation is also there, and we will now be targeting the T class, which is Color we will once again change to white. You can now see font size we will say is 30 pixel, margin top to 20 pixel, margin left to 40 pixel, and font family we would increase it to this family, which is Sanchez. This is a family. And now guys, we will target this button here that you see here. This is the button class. First of all, we will change the background to this color which Amazon Prime Video uses, which is 4CA F50. This is a colorized green color, and border we will remove it to none. Color we will change it to white. So now you can see padding we will give as 15 pixel, 92 pixel. So it will be now bigger. Text align to center. So text align we will change it to center, and also text decoration we will remove the underline, text decoration none, and we will display this as inline block element like this. And font size we will increase it to 16 pixel, and margin we will say it's 4 pixel, 2 pixel like this. And cursor we will change it to pointer. That's it. So this is done styling for this one. So if you're watching it for the very first time guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. After this we will target the second button, which is button 2. So here we will again change the background color to this color now, 026 F94. So now you can see margin left to 45 pixel, margin top to 20 pixel. So now you can see it is perfectly aligned here. Guys, you can see the button is also perfectly aligned here. Now we will be targeting the E class here. We will be giving a margin top 15 pixel. So if you see, we have given this L class as well. I think we haven't written the HTML for yet. So now you can see guys, this image and the button is perfectly aligned here. This is the navigation bar, this is the logo, this is the button, this is the header image, this is the, you can see the navigation bar. If you reload the application, this nice little animation takes place, the flipping animation which takes place whenever you load the page for the very first time. This is similar to this, the button colors, all these colors that Amazon Prime Video uses. We are using the same colors. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, guys, if you're watching it for the very first time. So after this, guys, we need to write more HTML for this website. So now we will have the last section guys, which is this one. So there is not a lot of HTML required for this. So just after this button is over, so what we can do is that we can copy paste all the HTML here. So if you now refresh it guys, at last we are displaying these images here. You can see that. Now we simply need to style this. We need to style these. So now to style this, it's very easy. What we can do, go to style.css and basically So these are the different section, guys, which if you see here, if I change its background color here, basically, E margin top, you can now see. These are the different sections out there, basically. So you can see that, guys, we have built the entire Amazon Prime Video clone in less than 30 minutes. This is just added for responsiveness. It is completely responsive if you see here. So it is completely responsive as you can see here. So you can see this slight little animation taking place. So we are using for this animate on scroll library, which is a very awesome JavaScript library which actually fades the elements whenever you scroll them or flips them, also zoom it as well. So it's a very awesome library. Definitely use it inside your own applications. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and definitely tell me in the comment section any questions related to this, any future videos, ideas that you want to tell me, or any, is the stream quality good or bad? Just tell me in the comment section, is the stream quality is good or bad? Because I think if you are hearing any sort of noise inside, if you are hearing any sort of noise, or if the stream is good, because tell me in the comment section. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, so you can see this is the real-time statistics of the YouTube channel that I'm running here. So let me start a new poll here. Basically, which language videos, sorry, which framework you most like? Angular, uh, React.js, or is it Vue.js? Just tell me in the comment section, guys, which framework that you like. Either it's Angular, Vue.js, or React. So depending upon that, I will try to make videos on those topics. So if I get the right feedback, then I will definitely try to make videos on React.js, Angular, or Vue.js. So guys, if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content, only 7 likes are there. So just increase the like number to 20 likes. This is a like target for this live stream. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. And if you have any sort of doubt related to this live streams, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply to all the comments here. So 9 people are watching the stream here, so definitely ask any sort of doubts related to this live stream. And if you have any sort of videos that you want to watch on this, you can try, you can just ask in the comment section. You can just list all the topics which you are facing the problems on. This can be either React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, JavaScript, Node.js. So So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So in this live stream, we have built a Amazon Prime Video clone inside HTML and CSS. So basically, this is a full design that we have built here. This contains this nice little navigation bar. This is a sign-in button, and this is a header image. Basically, this is welcome to Prime Video, and this is a short little paragraph text. This is a button here, login to join Prime. So all the landing page elements are there here, which is the images. This is a footer section you can now see. So this is entirely built in HTML and CSS. You can rewind the stream here after this live stream ends. You can watch the tutorial step by step. So this is the footer section you will now see. So this is the CSS code which is required for this. I have given the source code in the live chat if you want to get all the source code. So you can just tell me if you are facing any sort of mic noise or background noise, and also can you tell me if what is the quality of the live stream here? Is it good or bad in the live chat? Any background noise that you're experiencing or any noise that you have inside the mic, or it's good medium quality, no background noise. So yeah, in the past video streams, I was experiencing some background noise, so that's why I ask it whether you are experiencing some video noise or not, because in the past live streams, we were experiencing some background noise. So that's why I fixed this inside my OBS studio. If you see inside my OBS studio, this was not detecting my mic. So you just need to go to properties section, and here basically this suggestion was not coming here. So I just plugged this microphone here. So I selected the right microphone. So after this, I clicked on OK. So now you can see the noise was perfectly fixed here. And also I applied a filter here. So go to filter, and here you will be having this gain filter, and I change it to 8.20 dB. So this is the filter that I applied here, which is the gain filter of the microphone. So these are the two settings which we have done. Really, mic is correctly working. Isaac, you are from? I am from India. You are from Isaac. Isaac Human. Isaac Human. Where are you from? I am from India. So how you explode this live stream? Is it come inside the suggestion or in the browse feature? So in which area this live stream was there inside your section? Can you just tell me how you found out this live stream? Is it in the suggestion videos or browse feature, or have you searched this? So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and you can tell me the topics, which topics you want to see in the near future. I will definitely try to make those topics live stream. So please hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. 10 people are watching the stream here, so only 10 likes are there. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So if you're watching it for the very first time, this is a coding channel. So I make daily programming live streams related to React.js, AngularJS, CSS, HTML, Node.js, Express. All these technologies will be offered for completely free. So if you're watching it for the very first time, please subscribe it and also hit the notification bell icon for receiving all the notifications about this channel. So hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So if you're watching it for the very first time. So anybody here, guys? 7 people watching here. So 7 live watching is there. So anybody watching, you can just comment, ask some doubt here related to if you have any sort of doubt.